morning, children.
Good morning, wonderful teacher.
Great, you guys sound so amazing today. Now, today we are doing science. And in science today, we are doing something. We're looking at something. Now, I have a few pictures in front of me. Who can tell me what we're looking at today? What are these pictures in front of me here?
Animals.
They are?
Animals.
Good job. So they are animals. Now, do you know that all of these animals belong to a group?
No.
Oh, really? So today we are going to look at one of those groups, all right? Now, I am not going to tell you what group we're going to look at today, but what I'm going to do is that I am going to play a little short video for you to watch, and when you are finished watching that video, you are going to tell me what type of animal group we are looking at today, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Video, we're going to focus on mammals. Mammals are one of the largest animal groups on the earth. All mammals have backbones or spines. A human is a mammal. You are in the same animal group as dogs, rabbits, whales, and many others. Mammals are warm-blooded. That means their bodies will always try to keep a constant temperature on the inside, no matter the temperature around them. Your body temperature averages 98.6 degrees, unless you're sick and have a fever. Other mammals' body temperatures average between 97 and 103 degrees. But if an animal is cold-blooded like fish, reptiles, and amphibians, their body temperature goes up and down, depending on the temperature around them. Some mammals only eat meat or plants, and others eat both, like humans do. Mammals generate their body heat through the food they eat, which is converted into energy. Mammals must eat more food than cold-blooded animals to allow them to maintain a constant body temperature. Have you ever jumped into a freezing cold ocean or lake and found yourself shivering from the cold? Your body is trying to warm you up, and shivering generates little bursts of heat. Your body also tries to cool us down by sweating. Some mammals have other ways of cooling themselves down. A dog pants and a pig rolls in the mud. The mud protects the pig's skin from the sun, and when the water droplets in the mud evaporate, it leaves the pig's skin moist, which also helps cool it down. All mammals have hair or fur that cover their bodies. For mammals that hibernate, like bears, lemurs, squirrels, and skunks, fur helps keep them warm all winter long. Another characteristic of mammals is that almost all of them give birth to live babies. This is different from fish and birds, which lay eggs that will eventually hatch. There are only two mammals that lay eggs: the platypus and the echidna, which is kind of a mix between an anteater and a porcupine. Mammal mothers nurse their young with milk that their bodies make. A newborn mammal, like a human or a puppy or a kitten, needs a parent to take care of them after they're born. But in some of the other groups, the animals are left on their own and have no one to look after them. All mammals use lungs to breathe. That's why whales and dolphins are considered mammals and not fish. They do not have gills like fish, and they are not cold-blooded, so they are classified as mammals. Mammals that live on land have 4 limbs. That means they have 2 arms and 2 legs, like kangaroos and monkeys, or just 4 legs, like horses, cows, and rabbits. There are about 6,500 species of mammals. Rodents such as beavers, mice, and squirrels make up almost half of the mammals on Earth. The largest mammal in the world is the blue whale. It can be 150 feet long and weigh 150 tons, or 300,000 pounds. That's about the same weight as 5 statues of Liberty put together. The elephant is the largest mammal on land, and the giraffe is the tallest. The smallest mammal is called the hog-nosed bat or bumblebee bat. It's about the same size as a bee and weighs about as much as a feather. The bat is also the only mammal that can fly, and the slowest mammal in the world is the two-toed sloth. Mammals make up just one group of the many types of animals in the world. Even though mammals share many characteristics, each is also unique, from the tiniest bat to the biggest whale.
How many of you enjoy watching the video?
Me.
Good. Now, since you enjoy watching the video, so you are listening very attentively. Now, what I would like you to do for me is to tell me what you understand based on the video that you would have just watched. Remember, I told you that we are looking at one type of animal, and who could remember in the video what type of animals they spoke about? Let me hear. Go ahead. They spoke about the
Mama.
good job. In the video, they spoke about the mammals. Good job.
Good. Everyone have out their books? Good. So everyone finish heading up? I'm not hearing you.
Yes, Miss.
Good. So on the board here we have the definition for mammals. Look here. It says mammals are vertebrates. They have backbone and are known to have an internal skeleton, right? Like us. We don't have a skeleton. The dogs don't have a skeleton. The cats don't have a skeleton. Very good. And now we have some characteristics of mammals that we would have just went through. One is covered in fur or hair, feed their young milk. How many of you know that one? Feed their young milk. The puppies, they don't breastfeed from their mother when they're born.
Yes.
Isn't the same with the cats?
Yes.
And it's the same with us humans, right?
Yes.
Good. Gives birth to young. They are warm-blooded, right? And then we have some examples here of mammals. We have the cow, the cat, the dog, and the monkey. Good. So copy this. Good. Is everyone finished copying?
Yes.
Good. So now I have an activity for you to do. Good. So the first thing you're going to do is write your name on that paper I give you.
explain. I'll give you a little worksheet, and here you have to identify the mammals in the picture, right? And it's very easy. Their names are here, and you have to write the names at the bottom on the line of the animal you see in the picture. Here you go. You're welcome. Thank you.